Welcome back for problem 5.58b. Hope this will help with you and help you with your mastering homework. Okay. This problem comes from the section 5.7 in your text, Math Calculations in Reactions, and it's basically our sequence of converting from grams to moles and to moles to grams. Okay, the problem says calcium cyanamide reacts with water to form calcium carbonate and ammonia. Okay, so we're given our balanced equation. Okay, we can look here and we can see what our mole-to-mole ratios are. Okay, so we've got 1 mole and understood 1 mole of calcium cyanamide, 3 moles of water, 1 mole of calcium carbonate, and 2 moles of ammonia. And we're asked for how many grams of ammonia are produced from 5.24 grams of calcium cyanamide. Okay, so we're going to be starting with cyanamide, and we're going to be ending with grams of ammonia. Okay, so we're going to be converting from one compound to another. Okay, so this is an indication that we're going to have to use our balanced equation in order to do this. We're going to have to set up our mole-to-mole ratios. All right, the first thing we do is write out what we know and what we're given. Okay, we're not just given 5.24 grams, we're given 5.24 grams of calcium cyanamide. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add up the molar mass. Okay, so if you look at your periodic table, calcium has an atomic weight of 40.08, and carbon has an atomic mass of 12.01, and nitrogen 14.01, and there's 2 of those. Okay, so we're going to come up with about 80.11 grams. Okay, and every time we use the periodic table to come up with molar mass, this is based upon 1 mole. Okay, so we've converted from grams to moles. And now we're going to go from moles of what we know. So we know the moles of calcium cyanamide, but we're trying to find moles of water. Excuse me, we're trying to find moles of ammonia. Okay, so we can go ahead and write out our next step here. Okay, we know our units have to cancel, so moles of calcium cyanamide has to go in the denominator. And this is where we look at our balanced equation. Okay, and so for every 1 mole, okay, this 1 came from here, of calcium cyanamide, we have 2 moles of ammonia. Okay, so now our moles can cancel, and we're asked for grams. So if you were just asked for moles, then you could stop here. Okay, but we're asked for grams, so we know that moles have to be on the bottom so that we can cancel. And we know that, so this last step is just converting from moles to grams, like you did previously in the chapter. So we're going to add up the molar mass, give us about 17.04 grams. Now our moles will cancel. Okay, so that 17.04 came from the calculating the molar mass of ammonia. And then we can cancel our moles, and we should get about 2.23 grams of ammonia. All right, I hope this helps with problem 5.58. Thank you.